Over the past decade, Vietnam has been among the fastest growing countries in digital technology development in the Asia-Pacific region. According to Google's latest survey on Southeast Asia's digital economy, Vietnam ranks among the top 4 countries in the regions in terms of internet speed. Vietnam also records the highest levels of AI adoption among small and medium enterprises and among users in Southeast Asia. However, according to experts, Vietnam's legal framework for digital technology remains a work in progress.
In Vietnam, over the past 5 years, progress in developing legal frameworks for digital governance has been remarkably rapid. Vietnam has the telecommunications law to regulate digital infrastructure and connectivity, along with sector-specific legal regulations in areas. The next key step, however, is to further deepen and operationalize these regulations.
At the workshop, leading experts from Vietnam and the international community in the fields of science, technologies, and artificial intelligence engage in discussions and shared experience aimed at strengthening policies and legal frameworks for digital technology development in Vietnam.
In the period ahead, a national AI strategy and a national AI action program will be introduced. In addition, approximately 2 prime ministerial decisions will be issued to define the list of AI systems classified as high risk. Overall, around 5 to 6 legal normative documents are expected to be finalized between now and the second quarter of 2026.
The discussions are expected to serve as important reference points, contributing to the continued refinement of the legal framework to meet the evolving demands of technological advancement in the coming times. Minh Ngọc reporting for Vietnam Today.